I just thought it was an interesting title. You can get your channel to 30K subs in 90 days. Bro, I've been doing it almost 6 months now. Not there yet. I believe you, but I think it does take longer in some cases.
Good evening, my name is Bog. I have a YouTube channel that's currently at 581,000 subscribers, and in this video I'm going to give you some tactical advice that if you implement at least one of these things I say, more people will want to watch your videos. Why listen to me? Because my channel currently gets 3.6 million long-form views every single month, and in its lifetime it's gotten 86.4 million.
I feel like it's just weird to be like flexing like YouTube knowledge, because it's like it kind of all is the same thing, right? Like you follow the algorithm and then you please the people that watch you so they come back. That's literally what it is. It's making it overcomplicated. It just doesn't make sense. I mean,
long projects where they will record something for 2 months, then the editing will take another month, and they end up posting one video every 3 months. That's so slow, and it will kill your motivation whenever that video flops. So try to reduce the scope in order to fail faster. When you're under 10,000 subscribers, iteration speed, how fast you learn and implement what you learn, is what matters. And if you
I 100% agree. I took the exact same approach because I was seeing people do one a week and I just was not into that. So daily, I think makes a whole lot more sense. You get more shots, you know, and there's so many people nowadays posting content too. So you kind of have to take as many shots as you can get. So I feel like that only makes sense. If you're under 10K, yeah, you should be posting like crazy speed. Like just post whatever until something works, right? I mean, don't post like garbage, but I mean, try stuff and then fix it, try it again.
You post one video every 3 months, then that iteration loop is so slow. A person that makes a terrible video every week will beat a person that makes a decent video every 3 months, because they'll just learn so much faster. Also, make 3 thumbnails for every single video that you make, no matter how many views it gets. Make 3. This will make you learn how to package your videos at 3 times the rate. So if you post 10 videos, you'll have made 30 thumbnails. That's a lot of practice, and that's what you want in the beginning. You want to practice. The reason to reduce the scope of your videos and make them faster in the beginning is because you are terrible at judging what video is good and what video is bad. I'm still terrible at that too, and I have more than half a million.
Dude, oh my God. Every video I feel like is going to be bad does pretty well. It's so weird. Like I have an opposite like compass right now. I don't know, like it's gotten better over time, but this is the way it comes off, blah, blah, blah. No, like just don't even put that much thought into it. Make it simple, kind of luck at that point, but you do have to put the work in to have that shot at luck.
Million subscribers. So if you don't know what is going to do well, then does it make sense to spend 3 months on a massive video where you're putting all of your chips into that one video expecting it to go viral? No, it doesn't. It makes sense to test out a bunch of different things and then go in the direction that works. And you do that faster by making a lot of videos. Okay, next thing, if you're seeing spiky views on your channel, one video gets 40, the other 370, and the other one 1,000 views, that's actually good. Most people think it's terrible, but you don't yet have a dedicated audience that comes back video after video to watch your stuff because they're interested in you. When you're getting these spiky views, it means your channel is very healthy. As long as you're not getting 20 views for every single video and they're all declining, so 20 views, then 16 views, then 10 views, then 3 views, then you're in a good spot. It means you're starting.
Dude, I get that. I'll pull mine up just for reference. I mean, it does get concerning when you don't see like good numbers, you know, but this is my recent ones. So this is the one just posted today. And then you can see it kind of does spike like he said. So I guess that's good that I have it doing that. But yeah, no, I'll have days where I do ones that do really well, and then days where it's just kind of rough. Like, bro, this one's a 0. This one's a fucking 6. This one's at 6, dude. That's super rough. But yeah, no, I guess supposedly that's a good thing. I don't know.
To learn and figure this out. The fluctuation between these views is most likely due to the idea of your video. So keep making them. A lot of people inside of my YouTube community get spiky views like this and they think it's over, it's terrible. But no, this is good. It's proof that you're doing something right. Some videos are getting more views than others, which means you need to look at those top 20% of videos.
Oh, and that's what I'm saying. Like, he's so right. The top 20%, like you want that number to be big. So you want to be posting a lot. Like I post every single day. Like I've posted every day for 6 months. Like I feel like you need to have the data, and I still don't have enough data. like I still need more. So I feel like he's spot on.
And do that again, what you did inside of them. Maybe put a twist on the same idea. Maybe use the same words that you used in your intro for another video. Maybe try the same thumbnail style for another video. So don't think that spiky views are bad in the beginning, because there are only two options, either for you to get no views, like 20 views for every single video, or for you to get spiky views, because you don't have an audience that would make your views very consistent across every video. So which one out of the two would you rather have? No views or spiky views? Of course, spiky views, unless you're a maniac. Okay, here's a quick one. Sometimes you just can't get away with a short title. By the way, make your titles as short as possible. But when you can't get away with that, you can move part of your title text to the thumbnail so that it doesn't get cut off. For example, if your title is, I try to drive across the entire US in under 2 days.
Oh my God, that's too long of a title, bro. Yeah, no, I do short ones, dude. And I feel like the ones that I've actually done, hold up, this one, dude. This is my most viewed one right here, I think. In the last bit I've done, 2001. Yeah, 10 most disturbing videos. Like literally that's it. And then I do so much longer ones on the other one, all the other times. But no, these short ones always do the best. Like this one too, was super short. 800 views. But yeah, easy and simple. Like is really what it is. You got to make it like stupid simple.
And let's say that in under 2 days doesn't fit in the title. It makes it too long. Then you can just put in under 2 days inside of your thumbnail. Okay, next thing, stakes are so important. And stakes are what's on the line. For example, if I make a video of me trying to build a couch, the stakes could be, will it turn out comfortable? Will I fit under the budget of $100? Will I be able to cut wood because I've never done that before? Will I be able to make it look nice? And adding stakes, as well as spelling them out to the viewer in the intro, will make more people want to watch your videos. The more stakes you add, the better. Mr. Beast actually does this. He adds...
Yeah, dude, I was going to say, I feel like the stakes is kind of the main thing. I've been thinking of a way to make a twist with that, with my like disturbing videos for that. I think the stakes is a big thing. Like that's the only reason some of the stuff gets interesting is you're like, oh, I wonder what's going to happen because the stakes are so high. Like you want the result. It's like a big Super Bowl game or something like that.
Well, actually, I analyzed a Mr. Beast video. It was this video. It currently has 61 million views, released 1 month ago, and it's I survived 100 days in Skyblock. It's a Minecraft video. So here's what he does. In the first 10 seconds, he introduces the video concept, stakes, and says how the video will end. This is the same intro formula that I try to use for every single one of my own videos. So you introduce the video concept. What are we doing here? Like, what's going on? For example,
he did that in the beginning of this video.
In this video, I'm going to try to install Linux. Boom, that's the video concept. Then he introduces stakes, which is what's on the line. So for the Linux video, for example, I've never installed another operating system on my computer, and I'm not a programmer, so I have no clue what I'm doing. Also, I've heard that other people have deleted their entire hard drives when they try to install Linux. So I'm very much afraid of that because I don't have a hard drive to make a backup. So all of my files are right here on my Windows PC.
Oh, bro, just add a whole bunch of stakes. Dude, actually, I think I accidentally did that, but that actually makes sense. I actually, in one of the videos, I was like watching a bunch of Haunted Frequency. So watching Haunted Frequency, and like 3 videos in, I was like, dude, this might be the last one that I watch. And like that, technically builds stakes into it. So I guess that actually makes sense.
If I accidentally erase everything, I will be in massive trouble. This is just an example. And say how this video will end. This can be implied. So the Linux one will end once I install it. Or I could say something like this. If I manage to install it, I will try to actually use the operating system and see if it's better than Windows, and maybe potentially make it my main desktop operating.
I wouldn't be interested in that. I feel like now we're just getting too far. Dude, this is interesting. He's really broke down a whole thing here. Repeats concept, add extra stakes. Yeah, no, he broke it all down, dude. This is a really good video. The background visual is just not it for me. Yeah, I'll like it though.
So tell stories and add stakes.
No, good video, dude. I like what he said. I think it all makes sense. It was this video 2 months ago I watched from him. All right, next video. I'm gonna do one more scary one and then probably call it.